Hey you, I'm Sarah Turner, freelance copywriter and copywriting mentor, and today I want to talk to you about 5 shocking facts about being a copywriter. Yeah, I know it's a little bit of a clickbait-y headline, but these are facts about being a copywriter that people are often shocked to hear. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. First things first, they earn way more than the average writer. If you're anything like me, you may have thought that the only way to be a successful writer was to have a novel or to basically be Stephen King. But copywriters earn excellent money, and there is a big range in what copywriters can earn. It usually depends on whether or not they work for an agency or some sort of in-house marketing team, or if they're freelance. But one thing's for sure, do not be fooled by copywriting rates on websites like Upwork and Fiverr. If you set out to build your own client base, you can make fantastic money as a copywriter. You can earn 6 figures, some have even made it into 7-figure businesses. So there is a lot of room for growth, potential, and opportunity. Number 2 is that you do not need a certificate or a degree to start. This is one of my favorite things about being a copywriter is you do not need a certificate or a degree to start. In fact, if you are chasing degrees or certificates, it's probably going to slow you down because ultimately what clients really want to see is success. They want to see your copy in action and they want to see the numbers it brings in. So get to work on that right away. That's why I recommend newbie copywriters start building their portfolio and their case studies right away. The third thing is that there is a ton of work available, and quite frankly, there's more and more work coming online every day as businesses move and grow online. So a lot of people love to say that, copywriters it's an oversaturated industry and try and scare people off in that way, but it's frankly not true. And the reason I believe that is because there are so many niches, so many sub-niches, and because writing is actually a time-consuming job, it is unlikely that you need a ton of clients to be successful. In fact, you probably will find that you're going to only need 3, 4, maybe 5. I mean, you could end up needing maybe as much as 10, but really, truly, you're going to be surprised at how few clients you need to make it a lucrative career for you. In fact, for the last few years, have only had 3 clients. Number 4 is that it's not just about writing ads anymore. Copywriting has kind of evolved with the state of the world and as marketing has evolved. So this includes things like emails, landing pages, even blogs and websites. These can be copy if they are written in a way that is persuasive and compels the reader into action. Number 5 is that many copywriters didn't even enjoy writing in school. They actually found that they loved copywriting when they discovered it was more conversational and much more about connecting with their audience. So if you are somebody who was worried that you won't like copywriting because you didn't really love English class, good news. It is not writing like you're writing an essay, because nobody really wants to read that. They want to read something that's engaging, that's helpful, and that really connects with them. So I hope that helps. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you like this. Always share with me in the comments what you want to see. This is where I get a lot of my YouTube ideas, so I really appreciate it, guys. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys.